What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more reviews for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, as you can see right here, I have two cases, both by the company Ghostek. This is the Atomic Slim 3, and this is the Nautical II. So let's check them out.
For old time's sake.
So this one over here is the Atomic Slim 3. The Atomic Slim 3 is basically a bumper style case. This is what you get on the inside. You got a nice hard backing on there. It's not gonna break and you can't bend this. So awesome construction of this case. And all we do now is just drop this down in, just like so. And that is what you get. You get a nice clear backing. You get nice hard protection, hard edges. The lip on there is nice. It's a nice raised lip, so your screen is not going to get punished. And as you can see, it bounces up off the table whenever you drop it. So great presentation. It's a great case, nice, hard, steady. All of the cutouts match up. Our Note S Pen is easy to get to, and everything up top looks good. Buttons on the sides, nice and tactile. Everything feels good in the hands. It's not slippery, not slick at all. And you get your Atomic logo right there on the side, as well as on the side right there. So nice logo, nice presentation by the company Ghostek for the Atomic Slim 3. Next up, we have one of their most protective cases. This is the Nautical II. Now, opening this up, you get a little bit different presentation on this one over here. So you get terry cloths, you get wet wipes, you get lanyard, you get all that stuff on this case, because this case is a very extreme case. Snowproof, waterproof, shatterproof, dustproof, break-proof, whatever proof you could think of except for bulletproof, this thing can handle it. So first things first, make sure there's no screen protector on your phone before installing this case. Now, I do not have a glass screen protector on here, but I do have a film. So I'm not gonna take my film off because I just really don't wanna take my film off. There's also a cutout right here for your fingerprint scanner. So you're gonna have to re-register your fingerprint scanner once you do this in order for it to work. But I use my facial recognition, so it's not gonna be a big deal. So what I'm gonna do is take this off, take the warning off, put that to the side, and then you got that little warning on the inside as well. Taking that off. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. Now you do have a little round indentation right there. Let's see if we can see it. You can see it very slightly. You do have a little round indentation. Now what I'm gonna do first is drop my phone down in here. Now, before you do this, it's always a good practice to probably put like a piece of paper towel or something in here first, just to make sure that it's not gonna get your phone wet. I'm not so much worried about that because these phones nowadays are like water resistant, waterproof almost. So if it does get a little wet, I'm not too worried about it. But this is what you get. So screen protector. There is a screen protector on my phone. Like I said, it's a film screen protector though. It's not a glass screen protector. And they do warn you, don't use a screen protector. Buttons, nice and tactile. I'm gonna turn it off and not look at it. Still locked. Let's see. Still got the smart lock on. So what I really don't like is that in the middle where my finger is. So yeah, in order to use that, you're gonna have to reset your whole fingerprint scanner. Right there, I'm gonna look at it. But you can still activate your touch screen. It's still responsive, still smooth. There are no issues with that. You're just gonna have to reset that fingerprint scanner. Tons of protection. If you drop this, no issues. You can still see the back. Your camera is nice and open. Your cutouts down bottom are gonna be held by a waterproof seal. So you're gonna have to peel that off, just like so, to get into there. And when you close it back up, it becomes watertight again. But nice case, nice form. It's gonna protect against basically anything you can throw at it. Like I said, this is the Nautical II. It's a great case to add to your arsenal if you have a lot of extreme things going on. You like to rock climb, mountain climb, bike on the mountains, on trails, and you're going to drop your phone. This is the perfect case to have because it's not going to let anything happen to it out of the ordinary. And if you want to take this case off, it basically just pops off just like that. No issues, no worries. So 2 great cases by the company Ghostek. They provide some really tough cases that are going to protect your device. This one over here, the Atomic Slim 3, and this one over here, the Nautical II. You're going to be able to pick up both of these. I'm going to drop links below so you can check them out for yourself. But until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Oh, and before I forget, both of these cases are wireless charge compatible. So don't worry about your Qi charging. It still works on these. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.